Right now, a massive wildfire ravaging Northern California. 27,000 residents have evacuated and thousands more left without any power. Meanwhile, near Los Angeles, crews are trying to contain two separate fires. The entire city of Malibu was ordered to evacuate earlier this morning.
NBC's Gadi Schwartz is live in Westlake Village, California. Gadi, what's going on where you are? We can see the smoke now.
Yeah, so there's a lot of smoke coming, actually. In fact, let's just, there's a fire truck coming in right here because this hilltop right now is about to be overtaken by flames. You can see them coming up, and it's coming up on this side, too. I'm going to just take you over here. We're going to kind of fall back a little bit. But there's a ridge line over here where quickly the flames came all the way up and they started cresting over. So this is kind of one of our fallback positions. I'm going to give you a shot of what we're looking at, and then we're probably gonna head down the mountain. Fires move so quickly uphill. They take a little bit longer going downhill. But now we're seeing plumes of smoke on almost every side. It's coming this way. You can see all that smoke coming this way. So this is a ridge top full of homes. These firefighters are going right now. They're not really here to do structure protection. They're here to make sure that people are all out of their homes. So that's what we're seeing up and down this street. We heard some people going through with loudspeakers, emergency personnel telling everybody to get out as quickly as possible. And I'm going to show you why right here. So over here, there's a house that's up on the ridge. Yep. And you've got flames that are now overtaking the ridge, and they're coming back down this side. So it's headed towards our direction. We've got our vehicles staged over here. We're actually going to fall back right now because those flames are coming this way. These winds are relentless. This is just one of those places of many places in Southern California where over 70,000 to 100,000 people are now under evacuation. Guys, I'm going to send it back to you.
Gadi, I know you've done this before, but obviously this looks perilous. So whatever you have to do, whether you're on TV with us or not, don't get yourself in between flames that are coming up. You make an interesting point. Fires go uphill very quickly because wind rises, the wind goes with it. Downhill is different because the air is going up while the fire has to go down. But we're looking at pictures now of Malibu. It is kind of remarkable. They've evacuated, or they're evacuating all of Malibu?
Let's start walking this way. Evacuating all of Malibu right now, the entire city. One of the reasons is because of the PCH. That's basically the road in. It gets to be a choke point, especially in emergency situations. So they have the fire that is headed towards that direction. It is making some really fast runs, but hopefully the thought is that if they can evacuate that early, it's going to take several hours to get all those thousands and thousands of people out of there. If they can evacuate early, they won't see some of those really dangerous situations where you have choke points and then you have fire taking those choke points, people stuck in their cars, unable to do anything really as the flames come over their cars. That's what we saw in Paradise yesterday, where some people were petrified while they were in their cars. They were stuck in gridlock. Some of them got out on foot, and they started trying to find any type of protection. They found firefighters that were able to protect them and find a shelter and lay down water around that shelter. But it's one of those situations where, when you're stuck in gridlock and there are flames all around, a lot of people just panic. They get out of their cars. And then later on, you've got fire personnel that have to get back through that same area. And they were yesterday using bulldozers to kind of clear those roads and make sure that personnel could get through there because people had just abandoned their cars.
Wait, they were using bulldozers to get parked cars out of the way?
Yeah, we're going to keep walking this way. Sorry, guys. We're just going to start falling back here. Yeah, so they were using bulldozers. Usually dozers come in and they cut lines. They were cutting lines through the roads. They were just basically plowing straight through to try to get the roads clear because people had abandoned their cars and they just left them. This is why we're trying to get out of here. So there's another plume coming up over here. I'm pretty confident that we're going to be fine. There's, we've been talking to fire officials out here. This is our trigger point. We're now hitting it. This is what it looks like when we start to fall back. So you've got that plume over there. We're going to get in our cars. We're going to head downhill, and then we'll check back with you in just a bit.
All right, Gadi Schwartz, be safe. Make sure your crew is safe. Hey, MSNBC fans, thanks for checking out our YouTube channel. Subscribe by clicking on that button down there and click on any of the videos here to watch the latest interviews and highlights. You can get more MSNBC for free every day with our newsletters. Just visit msnbc.com/newsletters to sign up now.